Namaste children. Did you learn what I taught in the previous classes? Today you are going to learn sex linked inheritance. Inheritance. So here there is which is related to the word inheritance, that is gene. Yes. The inheritance of tribe was determined by the gene is located on the one of the sex chromosome is called sex-linked inheritance. This is inheritance of trait is determined by what? That is by gene. The gene is located on one of the sex chromosome. That is called sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance is nothing but the inheritance of trait is determined by the gene, that the gene is located on any one of the sex chromosomes. That is the definition. The genes present on a differential region of X or Y. Differential region. What is differential region? Differential region is the region in which the crossing over or recombination takes place. That region is called a differential region. So the genes present the differential region of X or Y, X chromosome or Y chromosome. But the genes which present in X chromosome are called X-linked gene. X-linked gene is the gene which present in the differential region of X chromosome. Here there is no corresponding alleles in Y chromosome. There is no corresponding alleles. The X chromosome has they have no corresponding alleles in Y chromosome. This is a very important point. That is a X-linked gene is present in the differential region of the X chromosome. They have no corresponding allele in Y chromosome. Then the same the gene which is present in the differential region of the Y chromosome is called Y-linked or hollandric gene. X-linked gene there is no name, but Y-linked genes are the genes which are present in the differential region of Y chromosome. They are otherwise called hollandric genes. Y-linked genes is otherwise called hollandric gene. They have no corresponding alleles in X chromosome. Like here, this X chromosome have no corresponding allele in Y chromosome. Y chromosome, that is Y gene, that is they have no corresponding allele in X chromosome. The Y-linked genes is inherit along with Y chromosome. Yes, it is Y-linked genes always inherit along with Y chromosome. That is phenotypically expressing only in male. Yes, Y. The Y is there. That Y present only in male. So that is male sex. This phenotypically expressed only in male sex, which is the Y gene. Y gene phenotypically expressed only in male sex. Sex-linked inheritance traits are more common in male sex. It is very important. The sex-linked inheritance, the traits, they are more common in male. Why? Because they are hemizygous. Hemizygous means one X, one Y. That is one X, the dominant gene is X, Y is not dominant. So that is a hemizygous, and it inherits only mutant allele because it has to combine with the X. So it produces only mutant allele. There is a homozygous. Now this X and Y linked genes are in differential region. That is here there is in differential region. In differential region where the X and Y linked genes in the differential region don't undergo any, that is a crossing over. You already see that the differential region there is a crossing over. But here this X and Y linked gene in the differential region, there is no chance of crossing over. It is very important. Okay. Now sex linked gene you know well. That is a gene present on the one of the sex chromosome. Then which is X-linked? X-linked gene means it is present in the differential region of X chromosome. Y means differential region of Y chromosome. Then there is Y-linked gene is otherwise called hollandric gene, Here they have no corresponding allele in X chromosome. Then X-linked gene, they have no corresponding alleles in Y chromosome. Then the Y-linked genes are, there is a phenotypically they express only in male sex. Sex-linked inherited traits are more common in male because they are hemizygous. Because of hemizygous, they inherit X and that is only mutant allele. Now we will see inheritance of X-linked gene. X-linked gene. This X-linked genes. There are some disorder. There is examples for color blindness. Color blindness, then Dutchen's muscular dystrophy and hemophilia. So, but today we are here we are going to see only that about hemophilia. That hemophilia of two type. One is A, the another one is B. That is first A hemophilia means they are the clotting factor. No, that is disorder in chromosome 8. Then another one is 9. Okay. Now next, that is hemophilia is otherwise called, commonly called royal disease or breeder's disease. Hemophilia is otherwise called royal disease or breeder disease. It is related to recessive X-linked gene, not dominant. It is a recessive X-linked gene. Where does the recessiveness happens? That we will see here. They are lack in the normal. Where it is lack, that is lack of normal clotting substance thromboplastin is very lack. Here it is mostly this hemophilia is common in women. It is reported by John Cato in 1803. In 1803, John Cato first he reported about hemophilia. It is more common in women. So there is a lack of normal clotting. Normally that is clotting substance thromboplastin causes the clotting of blood. So lack of thromboplastin, if any person has got any injury, because of the lack of thromboplastin, the continuous bleeding. Then when there is a continuous bleeding, it leads to death. So mostly here in the hemophilia, the males, the females carries 50% of cells. They carried 50% of cells. Even father normal is even the father is a normal person. If the mother is hemophilia, is affected by hemophilia, she carries which person? 50% sons are affected by this hemophilia. Okay, right. Now we will see how it is. It occurs. So now you see this is male. This male. Okay. X, Y. Normal. This now you see this is normal male. This is carrier. This X, this is hemophilia. Now this is carrier. Now you see X, Y, then X affected. This is affected. Now you cross it, X into X, XX, X into this, X into Y, XY. This is normal female. This is normal male. Now next, then it is again this marriage with X. Now X, X0. But now what is this? This is 2 are carrier. These 2 are normal. Now this carrier, these two is again getting married. If they get married, what would happen? Now you are adding like this. This board with X into X, X0. Then X, then this X into XY, X. Now what is this? This is normal, you know. This is normal. What is this? This is carrier. Here both are affected. So this is disease. We can say this is disease. Here what can we say? Here this Y, though it is normal, but here this the dominant X is affected. So this is also disease. Can you understand? Why, ma'am? There is another one is normal. No, this is recessive. Y is recessive. X is the X dominant also now it is affected. Now the both are recessive. So this is also disease. These two disease, one normal. What is this? What about this? This is carrier female. This is carrier female. Can you understand? So here how many, now if you are asked what about the percentage, now male, this one male. Now the two sons are produced. Among between these two, now if you are asked about the disease, the inheritance of the disease, what is the percentage? Only two sons, one is normal, another one is diseased. Now what is your answer? The 50%. Now the 50% of male is affected. Am I right? Yes. Here one is carrier, one is affected. So it is very important to understand. So first you learn how to cross it. In your book there may be the crossing like this. But if you have any doubt, you do like this. It is very easy for you to clear about this disease. Okay, my dear children. So now this is again I will say another one time. The hemophilia is commonly called as a royal disease or breeder's disease. It is caused by the recessive. Yes, this is recessive X-linked gene. It is more common in women. It is first observed or reported by John Cato in 1803. Then here this is caused by the lack of normal clotting substance called thromboplastin. If the thromboplastin is lack in the blood, it causes continuous bleeding. This continuous bleeding leads to death. Mostly the females are the carriers, and 50% of the sons are affected. Even the father is normal, the 50% of sons are affected. Yes, the 50% of sons, here the two sons are there. Between two sons, one is affected, one is a deceased person, one is normal person. So we can say that is 50% is affected. Okay. Yes, my children. I hope you learned about the sex-linked inheritance. Let us see in the next class. Thank you.